Why it's recommended to visit an autumn forest. The vibrant mix of reds, oranges, yellows, and browns creates a stunning and picturesque landscape. The cool, crisp air in autumn forests provides a refreshing break from the summer heat. The serene and tranquil ambience promotes relaxation and mental well-being. The earthy aroma of fallen leaves and damp soil creates a unique and pleasant sensory experience. Autumn is a bustling time for wildlife, making it perfect for observing animals preparing for winter. Many forests offer wild fruits, nuts, and mushrooms ripe for foraging in autumn. The dramatic light and vivid colors offer unique and stunning photographic opportunities. Autumn forests often have fewer visitors, allowing for a more peaceful and personal experience. Autumn forests host fun activities like leaf peeping tours, hay rides, and harvest festivals. The colors are due to the breakdown of chlorophyll, revealing carotenoids and anthocyanins, which create the vivid autumn hues.